part. So here I have created one demo project for React Native. So you can find this app.js file in which some basic code. Okay, so I'm creating one view component .js file to demonstrate the view component. So let's import required components from React Native. So we will require style sheet to create a style for a component and the view component. So let's remove this text. Then we need to import React from React. Okay, so let's create one class component for view. So start with export default class, then class name, that is class component. Okay, so extends with the React component. So I have created this class component for a view component. Okay, so let's add render method here to render the UI, which will return some UI component. Okay, so let's add view component here, view. Okay, so here I added this view component. Okay, so to after adding the view component, we need to style this component. So to style this component, we need to create a object for style sheet. Okay, so let's create one object, that is just styles. Okay, for style sheet. Okay, so inside this object we will create some style for a view component. So let's create one style, that is container. Okay, so I will add some parameter for this style, that like flex 1, then background color. So I will give some default color like red. Okay, so here I have created one style. Okay, so let's add this style to the view component, styles dot container. Okay, let's save this. So you can find that the default code is still, default UI component is still appearing in this simulator, because on parent component we have not yet rendered our view component. So to render this view component, we need to import this component here, import from path. Okay, so we have imported view component here. Let's use this component and remove the other components and save. So you can find this, the whole screen get red, that means our view component is rendered into the parent component. Okay, So you can verify this by changing the color of background color of view component, like green, okay, yellow, okay. So we have created this view component by using view and style sheet, okay.